Welcome again. In this video I'm going to show you demonstration of e-commerce application and Spring Boot and ReactJs as a front end. So what to watch the demo, what we need to do, we need to run the application first. So currently my servers are running, so I'm going to stop them and we will rerun them. Okay, so we will have idea like how can we run it further. So now for the backend we are using Eclipse here, and we have we have controllers, GTOs, and different things over to run the backend server. What you need to do, this is the demonstration. Like if you have already bought the project from Code1 or the Code1 team has done the setup at your machine, after that you need to follow this demo. So the first step from the backend, you're in your Eclipse, open this file, right click on this file, go to run as, then it is a Java application. So it will start your backend server, and you will see in a while in the console the backend server will start. And the next step you need to do, just go to your front end IDE as a Visual Studio, and here into the terminal command prompt. If you don't have terminal, open it from here and make sure you are into the ecom folder. Like by default, if you open it will come as a front end folder, and here you need to pass a command change directory, and then you have to move into the e-commerce, then enter a command here npm install, sorry, not npm install, it will be npm start, and it will start your front end server. So meanwhile the server is going to start, let's talk about the technology, tools and technology we are using in this application. So for the front end we are using ReactJs, and for the back end we are using Spring Boot now, and we have a JWT authentication here. And for the backend, like we are using Spring Security JWT with Spring Security, and we have a JPA. Okay, the text are too large. We have a Spring Security. Apart from that, we have like JPA, JPA from Hibernate, JPA Hibernate. To store the application, we are using MySql, and it's using for backend tool, let's say IDE, Eclipse, front end, VS Code, and HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, React Router, DOM are the common things. Okay, so these are the tools and technology we are using in this application. If I talk about the architecture, so we are following MBC architecture for both front end as well as the back end. So we have a config things. Okay, under the config we have a JWT authentication, configuration, controllers, DTOs, entities, exceptions, model, repositories, services, and utility. Front end side also it's following the MVC, so we have a different component folder, CSS, pages, and util. Okay, apart from that, to store the backend information we are using MySql, so we have a MySql workbench here to explore the data. So I'm going to close all my tabs and will show you the tables that is available into this database. So we have a user table, product, payment, categories, cart order, and cart. Here into the user section, we have two types of user. First is the admin and second is a customer. So once the application will launch, we'll see how the things are working. If I check my backend server, you can see the backend server is running over here on 9091 port. That is will be accessible by my front end things. And here also we have a postman that can run our backend APIs directly. So different APIs are there, and if you want only run the only backend, so you can run it. It's generating the authentication key here. So we have one API with name as a login and get key. This will give us a login information as well as a token that will be accessible, that will be required to access the other APIs. Okay, so let's talk about let's talk about the demonstration at the front end, how the things are working, like how admin can log in and the user can log in, and how can they perform the operation. At the very first, we have a sign up and login at the home page. We have a sign up and login. So I can sign up by entering the detail. I am in this demonstration, I am entering the dummy data. You can use the meaningful data as per your requirement. So when I fill the data and create a new registration, user is registered successfully and automatically it's redirecting over the login page. If I check my database now, here we have a new record, right? This one. So here we have two user. First is the admin and then second is a customer. So I'm going to log in first as an admin and see what admin can do. So for that you just need to enter the credential for the admin. Where you will get the credential, you will get the credential here. It means the username and the password. And when you log in as an admin, you will see the multiple options over there. Add user. So from here admin can add a new user. Here we have a user list, so admin can edit a user. So let's say I'm going to add some extra Z over there, and you will see the data is updated. If you want delete any data, you can just click on the delete button. It will be deleted your data as well. So the admin can manage user. So all the CRUD operations like add the user, delete the user, edit the user, admin can perform. Here we have a category option to add the category. Currently, let's say we have two categories. Let's say I'm going to add a new category. So I'm going to select name new cat, choose the option. Again, you can add the meaningful image. I'm just adding a dummy image over here, and let's say created successfully. If I go here into the category list, I have the new category. I can edit it, I can delete it as per my file. So if I go to edit, I can edit it by changing the name or some other thing. And now if I go to the category list, we have updated the category. I can, if I want delete, I can click on the delete button. It will be deleted as well. And apart from that, we have um, category list is done. Okay, we have add product. So under any category, we can add the product. So when you click on the add product, it will redirect me to the category product fam. I can select the new category that we have added. So I'm just adding the new product here. So I just enter product price. Let's say the price is of this product is 800 and the quantity, let's say we have a 50 quantity. I need to enter choose an image for the product. So I just going to add this image, it's fine. I click on the save. So the product is added. Now if I check the product list, I will see the new product is added here. So now this product is showing this under the product name. We are showing the category ID. So because we can manage the things easily, and we have an edit option for the product as well. While you go to the edit, you just while you editing, you just need to select the category again. And let's say I want to update the quantity here. So I edit the 55. Click on the save. Okay, again I have to choose the image. So if I choose the image, let's say this one. So while you're editing the product, you need to select the category again and then choose the image and other property that you want to update. If I go here, it's updated to the 55. I can delete it and I can option to add to cart, but this option we will see from the user side. Apart from that, we have a order history. So here the user, the admin user can see the history of all the users and log out. Now let's log in as a new user and see what our new user can do over there. So if I go here, refresh my user table, recently we have registered with this user. So this is the username of this user. And again, we have password here. So I just copy paste the username, password and log in with this user. Here I can see the category list that is available, but I am an end user customer, so I don't have option to delete or edit the things. I can go to the product list. These are the available project. This products. This is the new product that we have recently added. Here to buy this product, I can go add to cart and I can see that the product is coming into the cart. And if I want to go for the multiple product, I can go here and select the multiple cart. Here, if you see the price of this product is 800 and price of this product is 5,000, right? And here into the product list, we have a quantity available as a 55 and 790. So it's automatically calculating the price here, the total price of the cart. And when I go to the pay, order it. So I just need to enter the address, and other thing is already captured by the backend code. So this user is going to order. So All the user information will be available over here. I just go to the order and pay. I'm going to enter the card details, means the card number and other things. Apart from that, I can enter the expiry date, CVC number, and the total price is automatically coming here, but it's not editable. I click on the pay, the payment is done. Now if I check the order history for this user is two order, and like this user has been done ordered two product only. So this is coming as a payment status and the username that is done by the product quantity. Now if I check refresh my product list, automatically the price the quantity is reduces because the availability is going down. And if I check my cart now, it's showing a zero. It means the card is done, it's payment is done. The same data is updating into the backend as well. Okay, so that's it about the e-commerce application from the user side, from the admin side, from the boss side. So again, for the as a technical purpose, we are using Spring Boot, JWT authentication, REST APIs are there, and for the front end, we are using React Router, ReactJs, React routers, and bootstrap and HTML CSS for that designing purpose. So well, if you need the source code, you can connect us over the code one at the WhatsApp or email or Skype, and we'll take care of the configuration of the project at your machine. So we'll do the setup at your machine, as well as if you want to understand the things, so we'll explain you the things how the things are working. So there are multiple services, so you can just please connect, and thank you.